This project demo is for Multilevel Marketing System. It is developed in ASP.NET and VB.NET language, and backend is SQL Server 2014. But you can run this project in any SQL Server version. We are giving you that SQL script file, so you can create a database and you can run. And also this project can be run in Visual Studio 2015 or higher. So first we will create the database. So for creating database you need to use the db script file. So first we will start SQL Server 2014 Management Studio. This is SQL Server Management Studio. So once the SQL server is created, that database and tables and everything, then you have to configure your application in Visual Studio. So you can get all the details in your installation guide also. This details also available in installation guide, how to create tables and how to open the project in Visual Studio, how to set the connection. So first we will create the database. So this is my SQL Server 2014 Management Studio. So now first I have to connect. Once it's connected, just go database, right click and select new database. Give the database name. So I will give MLM is my database name. Click on OK. Now it will create one blank database. There is no table is there. Okay. So for table creation I will use this particular script file. Okay, so I'll just copy this path and click on file, then open file. Okay, now just paste there and select the db script. So you can see all that table create table statement and insert statement is there. So once I run it, it will create all the tables with sample data. So just click on execute. Okay, it will show no error. Now if you refresh your database, you will get all the tables. This is the tables. Now for login you have to use that administrator table. Just select op. So this is the admin ID and that password is 1. Okay, now this part is over, the SQL part. So now we need to open this project in Visual Studio. Okay, so I select the source path, copy it. Now start Visual Studio. So whichever version you have in your Visual Studio you can use it. So for this I will use Visual Studio 2015. Okay, so just close it, then click on file, open website and paste the path here, the source path. Once this project open, so you can just check. There is one is you have to set the connection. Connection is written in app code. There is a class file cls main, and where you can set the initial catalog, means database name, and this is the data source name. So you can just check here. So you have created the same name, MLM. If it is different name, you have to change that MLM to that name and data source name. So you can check the data source name, like click on properties and this is a name. So you can just copy here in your SQL installation and you can paste as per your SQL. So here the same one is RMS, so I'll just paste it, save it, and you can set the default start page. So it is my started page, set as start page. Okay, now if you want to change any design, so you can just change it like this. This is a text, so you can change it. Okay, once everything is done, just save it and click on run internet. It will open in Internet Explorer directly. So only this thing you need to configure in your laptop or PC to run this project. Okay, so this is the startup page, home page. So I need to use this admin and password one. So just type admin and password and click on sign in. Now this it is opening. Okay, so this is the menu. Suppose I want to create a new user, so I have to go admin option, then users. User, we can see the existing user details, or I can add a new user. Say I will put my name Aditya, click on main, date of birth 2000 or 1982, December 17, address Mumbai, mobile number. Now say update, so it will create a new user 6. You can also check in your query also. This a new user is created. Okay, so now you can add new product also. There is a product is there, so we can use this product, or we can add new product also. Now home. So new member, you can create new member. Say I want to create a member. Say Ruby K is the member name. Date of birth I can give you 1978 01 19. Address Mumbai. Telephone number I can give 9987530. Email rubik@gmail.com. Date of birth, today's date I can give 2019 December 15. Status okay. Account number 123456. Parent ID, so this is the MLM system, so we have to keep the parent ID, so it will map that parent ID. So I'll give this parent ID to say, you can check the existing parent ID also, like this is the member, just check the select. So this is the member already exists, so I can give 17 is my member, so this one 17, submit. So we can check if the new member is created or not. This Rubik is created. Okay, and if we check in member reference table, so it will create one reference like member ID 18, it mapped to it 17. Okay, so now I can see the member chain. Okay, if I place on 17, this is the John, so Mr. Ruby is the map with Mr. John. This is a chain. If I select on 1, this is the top level. Now there is another member. So the chain. So any member, maximum 2 member he can add. Okay. No purchase. So we have a new member. This ID is 18. I can validate. It will show Ruby K. It is showing the name of Ruby. Okay, product ID. So I have 3 product. I can validate also that also. So the tab. Okay, now purchase date, today's date, expiry date we can change, or we can say 2020. Check number, if it is there you can press and click submit successfully. So the purchase date, you can check today's purchase also. Okay, now incentive. Incentive is auto calculate, like if I press the member ID, it will calculate based on number of member his sub means chain is created total, so it will calculate. So this is the project. So all the coding and everything you will get in the source folder. Okay, so you can use it project. You can change as per your requirement. You can change color, everything, or you can add logo or everything. And once you buy this project, you will get that project report. Synopsis is the summary of the project, that also include in this project. So these are the main thing you will get in synopsis, and you can also get the content of blog book or project report. So you can check this, all the details is there. So once you buy it, you will get all the things. You can edit and you can submit, or you can use whatever you want. Okay, thank you.